Introducing PreVeil Express, a new way to securely collaborate, share files, and send and receive encrypted messages without installing any software. So what is Express? It is a private, secure collaboration and messaging platform. All email and files in the PreVeil Express are secured with zero trust end-to-end encryption, meaning information can only be read by the sender and the recipient. Not even PreVeil can access your account. And you can ensure your data is never lost to ransomware attack. PreVeil retains all versions of your files, letting you restore your data to an uncorrupted version. PreVeil Express helps meet strict compliance requirements for data protection, including HIPAA, CJIS, and ITAR, as well as NIST 800-171, CMMC, DFIR 7012, and other standards for safeguarding controlled unclassified information. PreVeil Express is easy to use, completely private, and free with up to 5 gigabytes of storage. Individuals simply create a free account using their favorite browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and in a matter of seconds, they can send and receive secure email and files. Users can sign in again anytime to access new PreVeil messages and files. So who is PreVeil Express meant for? It can be used in a variety of ways, including professional services like healthcare or legal or financial advisors that need to share files or messages privately and securely with their clients or partners. It could be used within the supply chain for the defense industrial base. Companies can share files and messages with their suppliers or other contractors without compromising on compliance requirements for data protections, including CMMC, NIST, or ITAR. Really anyone who wants PreVeil security but can't install software on their devices, such as DoD, federal, state, and local government computers, or prime contractor personnel that have suppliers already using PreVeil for protecting their CUI. Now let's see the Express experience in action. In this example, a financial advisor sends a message and shares a file with a client using their regular email address. The client receives an invitation to join PreVeil Express in their regular email, informing them that the advisor has shared something with them. The client can join up in minutes using their browser and their mobile device. They can see the message and files the advisor sent to them securely. No one else can see this data, not even PreVeil. And the client can sign into Express again anytime they want, when they need access to those messages or files, and they will get reminders in their regular email if they get something new. You can also upgrade to the full install version of PreVeil anytime. Users who do this get some additional capabilities, including no more password to log in. The installed version manages cryptographic keys automatically for you. You get a few advanced features such as activity logs and self-service account recovery using a QR code. You can also integrate your favorite email client and get your PreVeil messages right inside Outlook or Gmail. The full version supports mobile device access as well using the PreVeil app for Android or iOS devices. PreVeil Express is generally available this summer. Check out our website to learn more.